The SPX has developed another pinch point, and this is usually a good signal for the calm before the surge on the breakout. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's start off by looking at the futures chart again and just focusing on the last few days, because what we can see is the now multiple days of inside bars. You've got multiple inside days. We see this time and time again over the charts. And again, typically what follows this compression in price is often an explosive breakout, to be fair, one way or the other. So I would imagine that we're going to see something rather explosive shortly afterwards. Again, these types of consolidations don't usually last too often. Over on our usual view with SPX, we can see that same consolidation. Now this is, again, my normal view, but we can see at the bottom here, the Bollinger Band's width is right down at its lowest low. Again, the last time we saw this earlier in November, we see these Bollinger Bands contract very close together. So when this happens, I can take the upper and the lower Bollinger Band and use those as my guiding lines for the range, and as you can see, they're pretty accurate. So what we can see is that price is consolidating within a very narrow band of trading activity. It's in a range. So again, I've got multiple choices here. Again, as per my 6 money making patterns, I can trade the range back and forth if the opportunities allow. Now I think this is quite a small range. It's probably not worth the effort, but it is a choice available to me. Or I can press pause on my strategy. I'm already bullish for a change. Again, the last several times these developed, I've been bearish, but right now I'm in line with my system. I'm bullish. We've been looking at this bullish reverse zone to get, well, bullish. I've got multiple butterfly spreads on with various time horizons, some that we discussed in our live trading sessions. And again, I can press pause on what I'm doing. Again, I've already got positions on, so it's just a case of looking for the breakout pullback. Ideally, obviously bullish, to stop compounding into the expectation I have, which is a retest of the recent highs, and ultimately start making some new all-time highs before the year's end. Over on ADD, we have been back near that bearish extreme, so we've got more bullish potential than bearish potential, and that just gives me a little bit of weighting to lean towards my viewpoint, which is I'm still bullish going into what is the start of the news round for this week. So again, Thursday, Friday, the first batch of news, and this could just push us out of this consolidation, and I can start waiting for those bullish pulse bars to develop and start using them as my triggers for my entry patterns, and again just start compounding into the movement. Again, I am bullish right up to the end of the year. As always, the system does trade both sides of the market, so there may be some bullish and bearish opportunities amongst the bigger swing to the upside. So as usual, I will trade what's in front of me as the setups occur. If you like what you've heard today and want to learn a proven profitable trading system to benefit from income trading the markets, then click the link next to this video and I will see you over on a free training that I recently held. So click the link and I will see you over there. Bye for now.